All right, what is up, y'all? I wanted to show you one of our favorite new features of our events and also make a plug for our upcoming mixer and dinner at Market Grill Cafe. If we go over to events, you can click on the event, and then once you RSVP, you can also check out all the different details. We highly recommend that you invite friends, family members, coworkers, acquaintances that you know want to feel better and would benefit from this information. This is going to be part education because we're going to talk about the questions that we ask the vets of the restaurant, talk to the owners. We got some really great options there. And then we're also going to just use this as an opportunity to meet some new people and experience some great community. So once you RSVP, you can click on add to calendar, and then this will download to the calendar of your choice. And once it does that, then you have all the details of the event in your calendar, which is awesome because you're going to get reminded so you don't miss a beat. All right, let us know if you have any questions, comments, and or snide remarks.